Hello students, today we will start the new chapter, that is chapter number 3, creating charts in MS Excel. In this chapter we will learn about the chart and their significance and different components of chart, or we can say different parts of chart, and after that we will learn different type of chart. So basically we will learn about the chart in this video. Here you can see some different pictures of chart. Means this chart are used in MS Word or MS Excel to represent the data in a different way. So here we can see some more charts. Here you can see how we will represent here through the picture. So first of all, in this video we will learn about the chart and their significance. Here a chart is a graphical representation of data. Chart means it is a graphical represent of data. Here you can see in the picture, here we have the data and this is the graphical representation of that data. This is called chart only. Charts make it more easier for us to analyze and interpret data. So, through chart we can analyze the difference between two data, or we can analyze also. Means चार्ट से हम दो डाटा के बीच में कंपैरिजन भी कर सकते हैं, एनालाइज भी कर सकते हैं और इंटरप्रेट भी कर सकते हैं. Comparisons and trends can also be shown at glance with the help of charts only. So present trends, different type of comparison, all these things we can represent or show with the help of this chart only. So what is a chart? Chart is a graphical representation of data. It is a table form of data. Means हमने टेबल में लिखा, अब इसको रिप्रेजेंट करना है ग्राफ में, ऐसे करके ग्राफ में रिप्रेजेंट. You can also learn this type of chart in your maths also, that is bar graph and pie chart, etc. So how we will represent this in a computer? Today we will learn. So this is all about the chart. Now we will learn the different parts of chart or different components of chart. What are the components present in chart? Here you can see the first one is chart title. Here you can see in the picture, this is the chart title. Chart title means the title of that data is present in here. After that, second one is chart area. Chart area means where the chart is created. Chart area का मतलब कहाँ है? जहाँ पे हमारा पूरा चार्ट बना हुआ है, उसको चार्ट एरिया कहते हैं. After that, plot area. A plot area is that part of the chart where your data is actually plotted. Means it is the area where our data is actually plotted or created. Here you can see in the picture, this is the plot area where we have drawn the diagram like this. This is called plot area. Means ये एक एक्चुअल एरिया होता है जहाँ पे हमारा जो भी डाटा है वो रिप्रेजेंट रहता है. After that, next one is x axis. The x axis is the horizontal axis that bounds the plot area of a chart. Here you can see it is a horizontal axis. Here you can see the title also written, the axis titles also present in there. It is generally used to display data categories and therefore also known as the categories axis. It is also known as categories axis or the data categories is written here. Means किस चीज़ का डाटा है, क्या है, वो सब ये एक्स एक्सिस में लिखा रहता है. Now after that, next one is y axis. The y axis is the vertical axis bounding the plot area of a chart. Here you can see this is called y axis. The y axis is generally used for showing data values and therefore also known as the value axis. Here you can see in the picture, this x axis shows the values of data in a number, so it is also called values axis. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं डाटा की वैल्यू बता रहा है कि कितना वैल्यू है, इसीलिए इसको वैल्यू एक्सिस भी बोला जाता है. After that, come to the next one, that is x titles. The axis titles are the titles given to the x and y axis of a chart and the x, y and z axis of chart are represent like this. Means this, the title whichever is written in this, it is called axis title. जो भी title यहाँ पे लिखा जाता है उसको axis title बोला जाता है. Now after that come to the next one, data series. Here you can show the table. See the table created here, it is called data series. A data series is a set of values on the worksheet that you want to plot in the form of a chart. Data series means all the records created in the worksheet which we want to plot in chart area. डाटा सीरीज वो है जो हम रिकॉर्ड बना के रखें वर्कशीट में, उसको हमको चार्ट में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. So this is called data series because all the datas are presented here only. Now after that come to the next one, that is legends. What are legends? A legend is a key that identifies a data series. Here you can see in the picture, means it identify the data. Means यहाँ पे आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि वो क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, बट इट रिप्रेजेंट फर्स्ट blue portion represent the overall quantity and the orange portion represent the quality of the product. So through this we can categorize the bar whatever shown there. So it describe a data series represented in a particular color on the chart. It is represented in the particular color and it describes the data or कैटेगराइज द डाटा इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. ये हमको कंपेयर करके बताता है कि जो भी कलर से डाटा ड्रॉन है वो कौन सा डाटा है. सो दिस इज शोन बाय दिस लेजेंड्स ओनली. After that the next one is data labels. What are data labels? The data label is a text or label that provide additional information about a data marker. Here you can see in the picture the data label are given here. It is give the additional information. Means here you can see the 400 return, 300 return, 25. Here all this give the information of that particular bar that is drawn. It is the additional data through which we can understand it clearly. So this is all about the data level. Next is grid lines. Grid lines. The grid lines are the horizontal and vertical lines drawn on the plot area. The grid lines make it easy for a person to read the chart. Here you can see the green lines drawn. This is called grid line. Through this a person easily read the chart और डिफरेंस ऑफ चार्ट. इससे क्या है, हम चार्ट में ईजिली देख सकते हैं कि हमारा चार्ट जो बार है वो कहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया है, लाइन से नीचे है कि ऊपर है. सो वी कैन ईजिली रीड दैट चार्ट with the help of this grid line. You can hide the grid line or show the grid line as per our desire also. ये grid line को हम hide करके भी draw कर सकते हैं और दिखा के भी. यहाँ भी आप देख सकते हैं कि grid line कैसे show हो रहा है. So this is all about the basic components of chart, that is chart title. Here you can see chart title, then chart area where the chart has drawn. Here you can see chart area. Next is plot area where the actual data is drawn. After that x-axis, here you can see x-axis, this is y-axis, and the title whatever written in the axis, it is called axis title. After that the data series, here you can see the written document of data series. After that legends, which is represented by the colors in a bar. After that data levels, it is additional data show the levels of this graph. After that grid lines, the green portion drawn here, it is called grid line. So this is all about the basic components of a chart. Now come to the next part, that is different type of charts. What are the different type of charts available in MS Excel? There are so many different type of charts. Through this we can represent our data. तरीके का अलग अलग चार्ट यूज़ करके हम अपने डाटा को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज़ हियर यू कैन सी एरिया चार्ट, बार चार्ट, कॉलम चार्ट, देन लाइन चार्ट, पाई चार्ट, donut chart, radar chart. Here you can see combination These are more all about the 3D charts. Here you can see the picture clearly, column, bar, pie. So this is all are the picture of chart, different type of chart which is present in MS Excel. Now we will learn it in detail. So first is column chart. What are column chart? A column chart shows data changes over a period of time. It is ideal when you want to compare data items from a single category of data. Categories are shown along the x-axis and values y-axis. Categories are shown with the x-axis and y-axis. As earlier I told you, this is called y-axis where values are shown. यहाँ values shown होता है, and the x-axis where different categories are shown. This is the type of column chart. Through this we can represent our data. It is used to compare the data through the single category only. Here you can see single type of category only given. Now after that come to the next one, that is bar chart. A bar chart also shows comparison among individual items. However, in a bar chart, category are shown along the y-axis and value along the x-axis. Here the difference between column and bar chart are given. Here in column chart we have written y-axis here and x-axis here, but in bar graph chart categories are shown in y-axis and values are shown in x-axis. जो कॉलम चार्ट था उसमें वैल्यू एक्स एक्सिस में वाई एक्सिस में था और कैटेगरीज एक्स एक्सिस में था, बट बार में क्या है, वैल्यू वाई में है और जो भी कैटेगरीज है वहाँ ये यहाँ पे शोन है वाई में और वैल्यू है एक्स में. So these are the basic difference of bar chart. Now come to the next one, that is line chart. Here you can see the data are presented with the help of line. A line chart shows how data changes over a period of time. In a line chart, each data item is represented by a dot called a data marker. Here you can see it is also represented by different dots, so it is called data marker. And the changes of the डाटा विल रिप्रेजेंट विद द हेल्प ऑफ लाइन. यहाँ देख सकते हैं 2 से 3 लाइन्स है जो कि चेंजेस शो कर रहा है अलग अलग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट लाइन चार्ट. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी, दैट इज पाई चार्ट. अ पाई चार्ट रिप्रेजेंट द distribution of proportion of each data item over a total value. Means through pie chart we will represent the data in the form of percentage. This chart is used for showing data from one data series only. Here you can see the company A, B, C is given and the percentage of company is given. So this chart is basically used to show the data in a percentage form. Here you can see percentage form is given. So this is called pie chart. We will represent the data with the help of this pie chart in a percent. Here you can see ये mainly percentage और proportion में show होता है. Here you can see the all about company D 18%, company E 22%. So this is all about pie chart. Now come to the next one, that is donut chart. A donut chart shows the relationship of parts to a whole. It is like a pie chart but can plot more than one data series. It is also looks like pie chart but it have more than वन डाटा सीरीज. यहाँ एक से डाटा है. पाई चार्ट में क्या है, हमने एक ही डाटा यानी एक ही कंपनी एक ही ईयर के बारे में हमने जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन शो किया था, लेकिन इसमें क्या है 2 ईयर का दिया, 2014 और 15 का कंपेयर एक साथ करके दे दिया है. सो दिस इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डोनट एंड पाई चार्ट. यहाँ देख सकते हैं 2 ईयर का दिया है कंपनी का प्रपोर्शन में ही, इसको भी प्रपोर्शन में ही रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं बट एक साथ 2 सीरीज़ को हम रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट डोनट चार्ट. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज एरिया चार्ट. An area chart shows the magnitude of change in data over a period of time. It is similar to line chart except that the area below the plotted line is filled to indicate magnitude. It is also looks like line chart. Here you can see line chart but the area is filled in this area chart. ये एरिया लाइन चार्ट के जैसे ही है, बट इसका एरिया फील्ड है, जैसे कि कलर्ड फील्ड देख सकते हैं आप. सो दिस इज show the magnitude change of. So here is all about the different type of charts in MS Excel.